I thought I'd come on with a quick tip and maybe a reminder of a tip or supply that you can use. I haven't been doing a lot of art lately, so I got out our laminator and I just kind of laminated some small drawings that I did a while back. But before I did, I wanted to make sure it was clean because it'd been a long time before we used it. So I ran a sheet of printer paper through with the laminator pouch. So it's just a laminated piece of printer paper. I totally forgot that I'd wanted to make this. This would be great to take outside for a palette or on vacation. You can cut it in half or even like a quarter piece, and you can clip it right to your journal for a palette. So let's test it out and see how it works. This is just watercolor. Okay, you can add water and dilute. You get your different values. They're good for watercolor crayons. I'm not pressing hard at all, and it's coming right off. And you can turn that into paint. And there's also your markers, your watercolor markers. Pretty much water-soluble supplies, of course. And get some water and dilute that. And get your different values going at the bottom. And maybe even mix your crayons and your markers together. And you have more versatility that way. Okay. And to clean it up, I'm just going to grab a little bit of water and a tissue. And that's it. I've been looking at the Caran d'Ache. It's called a Creative Art Materials palette. It seems pretty similar. I don't own one, but it seems similar and it seems like it would work similar. It's $12.65 right now in the United States on Amazon, and today's date is Friday, December 9th, 2022. So, okay, and I think that's everything. Yeah, that's it. Alrighty, we'll see you later. Take care. Bye.